what we're going to do now is I'm going to take these MMS ID numbers and I'm going to paste these into a notepad file, and you're going to have it say MMS ID for the header in all caps. I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. And we're going to go to admin, and we're going to go to manage sets, add set, itemized, and we're going to make a set name. And you see that if you're doing MMS IDs, you need to make the set itemized, and like I just said, the file that you have, the first row has to say MMS IDs, and you can use either physical titles or electronic titles. So this is going to be a physical title, and we're going to select the file on our computer and click on Save. Okay. And then we're going to go to admin, and let's see, we're going to go to manage sets and take a look at the members, just make sure that they're all here. And it only did 162 of them instead of 169, which is interesting. So, but at least we can go ahead and suppress these bib records here. So we're going to do run a job, and we're going to select job number 43, which is the suppress bib records from discovery job, and click on next, and then select the set that we just created, and we want to suppress it, so you want to select true, and then click next, and then click on submit. And you'll see the job is finished running. So we're going to look at history and take a look at the report, and we'll see that it did 162. So there's still those 7 that are out there that we need to identify. I'm going to go to manage sets, and I'm going to take a look at the members. And you'll see that it says bibliographic records suppressed, and under if you click on physical, it'll say holding records suppressed. The only thing that I don't know how to do with the jobs is to scan in all of these so that it says none are available, because right now it says 1 of 1 available, and the only way I would know to change that would be to change the currently at location to Gillibo circ desk, and then go up to fulfillment and scan in items. And then of course when you do that, it says one not available. So that's the end result we want. We want the bib record suppressed, the holding record suppressed, we want the location to be withdrawn, and for this to say one not available. So for that part of the project, the only way I know to do that is to just go down the list of items in the set one by one and go ahead and scan them all in to the Gillibo default circ desk, and then at that point we'll be done with this set. And going down the list, hopefully we'll be able to identify what those 7 items were that they're in this set here, the first one we did, but the second set we did only had 162 items, so there's 7 of them that for some reason didn't get done. But that's basically how you would use creating a set and running a job to suppress the bib record, the holding record, and mark the items withdrawn.